next to me.
Hey guys, it is Allison. So today I'm doing kind of like a clean with me type of video. I don't know, I've been kind of wanting to do this video for a while and I'm obsessed with watching them on YouTube. They're like one of my favorite kind of videos to watch, which is kind of weird, but I just really love cleaning. So yeah, I thought that I would show you guys just kind of like what it looks like for me to clean. I normally keep my space pretty clean, but I do like to do a deep clean like once a week. I normally do them on Fridays, which is why I'm doing it for you guys today. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. The things that I really need to tackle with my deep cleaning is just cleaning the surface of like my dresser, my nightstands, my desk over there. So that's kind of like the first part I want to do. So I'm gonna do that, and then I normally wash the dishes, which is kind of, you know, self-explanatory, but I just really like to do those. And then I also like to mop the kitchen floors because they get pretty dirty with cleaning and just like walking around and all that. So those are some of the things that I want to do. So I thought I would include that in the video. If I think of things that I want to do, then I'll keep you guys updated. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you guys liked it. Don't forget to subscribe and hopefully, and also turn on my post notifications, and we can just get into the video. just finished basically cleaning all the surfaces of my dresser, my nightstand, and my desk as well. And in that time, my hair dried, and also I still have my pimple cream on. Forgot to mention that, but I still do that. So I'm gonna quickly show you guys what it looks like. And also I realized I'm going to vacuum right after this. I just realized there was like a bunch of stuff on the floor, and I was like, forgot to mention I have to vacuum because I've been meaning to do it. So I'm gonna show you guys, I'm gonna do that right after I show you guys the clip of my room in, you know, the way it looks right now, pristine looking. So yeah. Cleaning. I'm really tired now, but this was, I would say, a successful clean with me. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know a lot of it was just like time lapses of me cleaning, but that's really like how I could film this video. So hopefully this video isn't too long, but hopefully you got inspiration from this video, and maybe this video will encourage you guys and motivate you guys to clean and whatever. I love watching these videos while I'm cleaning. It kind of like gives me like inspiration and motivation to just like keep cleaning. I'm kind of tired now because I did a lot and it's like nighttime right now. So yeah, but I'm gonna head off. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, give this video a thumbs up if you guys like it. Don't forget to subscribe because I'm posting twice a week, Wednesdays and Saturdays. So if you don't want to miss out on future videos, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell notification down below to be notified every time I upload. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you guys in my next one. Bye guys.